Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 5, 2024, featuring Earth at Aphelion and the visibilities of the bright planets. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:29 p.m. Our planet is at Aphelion, farthest from the Sun, 6 minutes after midnight Central Time. The Sun's distance is 94.6 million miles from Earth. In the Solar System, the standard yardstick is known as an astronomical unit or AU. Earth is considered 1 AU or 93 million miles, in round numbers, from the Sun. Today's aphelion distance is 1.016725295 AU, as calculated by the U.S. Naval Observatory's Mica computer program. The closest point, known as perihelion, occurs January 4, 2025, when Earth is 0.9833275543 AU from the Solar System's central star. The average distances of the classic planets range from Mercury's 0.39 AU to Pluto's 39.6 AU. Beyond the Solar System, the nearest star is over 210,000 AU away. At that point the light year is used. Commonly, light years are combined to make a parsec. 1 parsec equals 3.26 light years. Prefixes such as kilo and mega to make kiloparsec or 1,000 parsecs and megaparsec, 1 million parsecs, are used for very large distances. Today, the Moon's next lunation begins with the new moon phase at 5:57 p.m. when the Moon is between Earth and the Sun, but it is above the ecliptic. When the Moon crosses the ecliptic at this phase, solar eclipses occur. 4 bright planets, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are visible during nighttime hours. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, 3 bright planets are in the eastern sky before sunrise. Saturn is the highest and dimmest of the 3 bright outer planets. Rising before midnight, the ringed wonder is less than halfway up in the south-southeast, retrograding in front of an Aquarius starfield. Retrograde is an illusion as Earth overtakes an outer planet. The line of sight that normally moves eastward, reverses direction and points westward for a few months. Saturn does not reverse its travel direction. 2 stars, Deneb Kaitos, part of Cetus, and Fomalhaut, the southern fish's mouth, are below Saturn. Farther eastward, Mars and Jupiter shine among the stars that are prominent on winter evenings. The red planet, marching eastward along the plane of the Solar System in front of Aries, is over 25 degrees up in the east. The planet is heading toward Jupiter for a conjunction on August 14. It passes the Pleiades star cluster on July 21. This morning bright Jupiter is 20 degrees to Mars' lower left. Do not confuse the Jovian giant with the star Capella, over 25 degrees to Jupiter's upper left and over 20 degrees above the northeast horizon. Jupiter is nearly 15 degrees above the east-northeast horizon and 4.9 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left. Jupiter passes the star in 5 mornings. In the evening sky, Venus is slow to enter the evening sky. After its solar conjunction on June 4, it sets only 35 minutes after the Sun. Mercury sets nearly 45 minutes after Venus, but its visibility is affected by long evening twilight and a poor view of the Solar System in the western sky near the horizon at this season. It is bright but veiled by bright twilight at 30 minutes after sunset when it is about 8 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Use a binocular. The best evening to see Mercury occurs on the 7th when the crescent moon appears above the speedy planet and in the same binocular field. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.